Are you interested in knowing the benefits of drinking beetroot juice before bedtime? Stay here, sit with me, and listen to all my tips. You'll learn something out of it. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of drinking beetroot juice before bedtime. What are the benefits of drinking beetroot juice? Beetroot juice is filled with many nutrients. It's filled, number one, it's filled with B12, all the B's, the vitamin B complex is filled in. Secondly, it's got vitamin C. Secondly, it's got all the vitamins that you can think of. What are the main crucial benefits for beetroot? Beetroot is very good for blood formation. Blood formation. Like I said, folic acid in the B complex. Folic acid is very high when it comes to beetroot. Beetroot is very important for the body, for the blood formation. You need, beetroot is the food. It's the main food. I won't say it's the only food, but it's the main food that actually has the ability to give you vitamin C, at the same time blood formation, and at the same, it basically gives you most of the nutrients that you will find in the vitamin B complex from B1 to B12. So very important. I remember when I was recovering from my diagnosis, meningitis, I had to take, for a year, because I lost a lot of blood. My immune system was actually very weak. So I opted for beetroot, raw beetroot, not cooked one, raw beetroot. And I remember mixing beetroots and carrot juice. I bought myself a juice maker, and I made a lot of juice mixed with carrots and mixed with beetroot. That gave me energy. It helped me a lot. It cleansed me, and it really boosted my immune system. So why really is it very important to take beetroot? Beetroot is very good for the immune system, at the same time for the blood formation. Vitamin C that is found in the beetroot is very good for the sores, for the skin, for the cuts, and for the skin to heal. Basically, the immune system needs vitamin C. You need to have vitamin C for the body to heal and the cells to recover and cover themselves and to disappear all those scars. You really need vitamin C. And the vitamin C in beetroot, it's very high that you actually you do not even need supplementation. If you're really on vitamin D, on beetroot juice, or whichever way you want to eat it. But I always recommend to take beetroot when it's raw. Do not cook beetroot. Cooking beetroot basically reduces some of its value, reduces the content that it has, the value, the vitamin or the nutrients value that it has. It reduces it. So do not cook it. Just use it raw. Take it raw. Take it raw the way it is. It's actually very delicious. You should try the juice. But if the juice can be kind of like a little bit bitter. So I usually mix in honey, make it a little bit sweet, but it's very sweet on its own. Though you might not like the slightly bitter, it can be slightly bitter. So what I usually do, I mix it with carrots, mix it with other fruits like oranges, like mango. I mix a variety of juice, then I blend a cocktail, a very nice cocktail. But beetroot is very good. One thing that beetroot actually though will do, beetroot will give you side effects, but the side effects are not unhealthy. They are healthy side effects. Don't get alarmed when you see these side effects. Number one, beetroot will give you a red urine. When you go to urinate in the bathroom or to pee, you'll realize your urine is kind of like purplish. That's beetroot. That doesn't call for alarm. It's the color that actually beetroot has in its fruit or in its vegetable. So do not be alarmed when you see purple or pinkish urine. That's not a problem. Secondly, beetroot will always leave you a red purple color in your mouth, around on your gum and all that, but that's just temporarily. So do not be alarmed with its color. Do not be alarmed with what colors you get into your stool when you go and have a number 2 on the toilet. Vitamin C is very good. I love vitamin. What does vitamin C does basically? Vitamin C tightens your skin. Vitamin C heals your wounds, like I mentioned. Vitamin C is very good for the immune system. Without vitamin C, you will never, your flu, when you get a flu or you get a cold or a fever, your immune system needs vitamin C. Vitamin C for healing is very important. It needs vitamin C. If you don't get enough vitamin C, your wounds will take long to heal. Your flu, your infections will take very long to go away, and all that kind of stuff. So therefore, the body needs vitamin C. Vitamin C, as much as you can get vitamin C, please get it. If it's from supplements, if it's from wherever, if it's from oranges, oranges are very high with vitamin C. If it's from apples, apples are very low. Apples are high with calcium but low on vitamin C. Oranges though, lemons are good with vitamin C. But then the good thing with vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. What do I mean by water-soluble? Water-soluble means the more you take if you take too much vitamin C, the body will take what it needs, and then the rest you'll take it into the toilet. You'll go urinate it. So that's water soluble. It will go. That's why you're recommended to take it in pieces. Take it, break it in the morning. Instead of taking one whole dosage at once, break it if you're taking supplements, vitamin C. Break them throughout the whole day. Because instead of taking all at once, and then the body it's not going to use it at that particular moment. It's going to take some of it out and then leave you with nothing. So rather break it and take it into pieces throughout the day. So vitamin C is very crucial for the body. Without vitamin C, your body will not heal, or the immune system will not function properly. What else? Now the big B complex, or the folic acid. Folic acid in the beetroot is very good for the skin. Remember, folic acid is basically for the formation of red blood cells. Red blood cells are formed by the folic acid, which gives it which gives the beetroot vegetable, gives the beetroot vegetable that purple color. B complex is very crucial for your body. Your body, your heart, the whole body, the hair, it's red blood cells that keep the body going. Without red blood cells, your heart will not pump. Your heart, basically, the beats that your heart do is to pump the blood. When the blood stops from going, that's where you find people are having heart attacks. People get operations of heart bypass. Heart bypass is because the body, the vessel or the vein, the capillary that takes the heart to the blood to the heart, it's been blocked. That blockage preventing the blood from going through. Therefore, someone gets a heart condition. Therefore, they need to actually make a bypass for the heart, for the blood to go in. So without blood, hair will fall out. Without blood, the skin will be black and darkened. Without blood, won't be black. The skin will be pale. Skin will be pale, not black. Skin will be pale without blood. So you really need blood. You really need blood. When blood doesn't flow into your toe or your finger, the finger rots and then it's cut off. It falls off itself. It dries, rots, and falls off, and they have to amputate it. That's where amputation comes in with those who've got diabetes and all those conditions, simply because the formation of blood or the blood thinning was not enough. Now like when we talk about blood thinning, beetroot also has a content in it to thin blood. It works together with the vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good at thinning blood. That blood that actually beetroot is giving you through folic acid. Vitamin, after you get that blood, then the vitamin C in the beetroot helps to thin that blood and transport it with oxygen. Basically, without vitamin C, your blood will not be transported with oxygen. Oxygen transports blood. Oxygen pumps blood to move through the veins. But now, if you don't have vitamin C, the blood will not have oxygen. Vitamin C boosts oxygen into the blood in order to transport the what? The red blood cells. You need that oxygen. Therefore, beetroot is very good. Beetroot is healthy. Opt for beetroot, raw beetroot. If you really haven't known much about beetroot, for the skin especially, beetroot is the best. You're gonna get good skin. You're gonna get what do they call them? What do they call it? Pink cheeks. You're gonna get pink cheeks with consuming a lot of beetroot. You're gonna have pink cheeks. You're gonna have pink lips. It's gonna come out of you. One of my videos, I mentioned that you are what you eat. What you consume, what you consume is what you become. So what you put inside your system is always going to come out. If you drink too much of substances or take too much substances, when I say that, you understand what I mean. If you take substances, it will show up on your lips. Your lips will be swollen. Cheeks will be burnt. Your nose will be there, and your cheeks will be yellow. So what you consume usually comes out on the outside. It shows out on the outside. Therefore, make sure that you consume the right stuff, the right foods. Because I've got a video that teaches how to go to buying the right food. Buying the right food. You need to know how to buy the right food and what to fill in your fridge. Usually, I'll give you a hint on that video, on that topic. Basically, when you go into shop, do not go shop hungry. Don't shop hungry. First eat at home, get full, and then go for shopping. Therefore, you'll pick the most important stuff like fruits, veggies, apples, beetroots. But if you go hungry, you'll crave for every junk food. You'll look at donuts, you'll look at chocolate, you'll look at that, you'll look at rolls, you'll look at fried chips, you'll look at grilled chicken, you'll look at everything when you're hungry. So never shop when you're hungry. First eat, drink, fill your stomach with water, and then go shop. You'll come back with a bag filled with beetroot and carrots. Consume beetroot. If you really want to know more about what beetroot can do and the nutritious foods that can come out of veggies, other different types of veggies, hit the subscribe button there if you're new to this channel, and touch the bell icon to receive a notification of every video that I upload to my YouTube channel. Israel once again from Injibs Cosmetics, and I hope that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today.